What's up, guys? Today we're going to change the camshaft position sensor on a 2010 5.7 liter Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is quite an easy job. I mean, I'm an expert, definitely not, but I can do this. So I think we need a 10 millimeter, some P blaster, the sensor, and a socket set of your choice. I got this handy dandy Chinese one. I'm gonna use that. So before I do all that, let's spray it a little. Yes, I'm short. This thing has a 3-inch lift. Whatever. Go ahead, throw your short jokes. I don't care. See where I'm pointing? This wire right here. See if I can get it better. Behind there, you can see this wire. That's the wire we're talking about. So if you have the factory intake, your intake has to come out. This one's the K&N. I bought the truck with that. So it's behind there on the motor in the front, right past the water pump area, if you will. You're just gonna spray a little down there. Get that bolt nice and ready. Can get you a better in there shot. See that? Yeah, that's the one right there. So we're gonna pull that wire out too. Now that we sprayed it down, see if I can't pull that wire out. Should be pretty easy. Of course, the engine is still hot because God forbid I wait until it cools down. I need a flathead. That doesn't feel good. That's plastic is. Seems like it's a little hot. Maybe we'll do this later. Nah, got other stuff to do later. This old toolbox, I don't know where I got, probably yard sale or something. We have a flathead? We do. All right. With this, yeah, this is gonna be, if this breaks, try to pull it off, and then I can see if I can maybe pull the wire out of it. Is this gonna reach? And then I got her. Now, just so I don't lose the bolt. Phew! Alright, got the bolt. Hot, hot, hot. Alright, now this should be relatively straightforward. See if we can't just get the whole thing out. Whew. Jesus Christ. Sometimes a pair of pliers will do the trick. These are probably the worst pair of pliers I have. They're not holding on at all, but that's all I have for now. So let's see what we can do. Yikes. Well, I got the, okay, I got that out. The actual wire's out now. To get the thing, is it gonna come out? I'm gonna burn myself. A little movement here and there. Nope, it's not coming out. All right, we got a problem. All right. Well. This is gonna be a blast. Let's see. Oh, I got a little movement there. Yeah, I got her out. Phew. Let me see if I can. All right, there it is. So how did I get here? Okay, well, the check engine light was on for camshaft position sensor. I forgot the code. However, it said both camshaft and crankshaft. Crankshaft is the one on the bottom. Camshaft's the one on the top. But I don't know. I'm not gonna do this. Let's try to see if I bought both of them. They weren't that bad. It was like $20 each or something. $14, $15 each. The most important thing is if we put a new one in and I don't have a problem anymore, then we're not gonna worry too much about the crankshaft sensor. Maybe I should hand thread this on a little first. What do you think? Well. I could wait a little, but where's the fun in that? Alright, it's in. It's not really in. There it is. Now I heard that click. Satisfying little clickety click. You know what? Maybe I should just wait. That was pretty burny. Nice. I think I'll wait. Okay, I waited. Let's just see if I can get in here without burning myself. This is hot. Of course. Okay. That's it. That's all I need. It's in a little. I'll send it the rest of the way. But you don't want to over tie it, right? So maybe I'll just do this a little and then by hand. What do you guys think? You have to plug it in. That's it. We're in. Let me see if I can tighten a little by hand. You don't want to over tighten anything here, but you also don't want it loose. Okay, I'm loosening it and then I'm tightening by hand to like 25 pounds. That's about it. So I'm gonna stick this back in. That's the best it's gonna get in there. And now we're done. That's just in. All right. It wasn't that bad, was it?